ABB robots are used in industrial applications due to their advanced technology, versatility, and reliability. They can handle repetitive, hazardous, or precise tasks, improving productivity, safety, and efficiency across various industries. They are used in pick-and-place operations, sorting and transferring items, palletizing, and depalletizing. ABB robots are used for precise and rapid assembly of electronics and automotive parts. They are used for food packaging in sanitized environments, box packing and product wrapping, bottle capping, and sealing. They are used to assemble solar panels and wind turbines and inspect and maintain renewable energy systems. ABB robots are used for CNC machining support, laser and waterjet cutting, polishing, and deburring. They are used for automated material storage and retrieval, sorting, and organizing inventory. They collaborate safely with human workers and assist in complex and delicate tasks.